to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Recognizing nouns. By the way, in your PDF or in the slides, I would always indicate the page wherein I got these things. It's located in the lower right. The lower right says pages 4 to 5. So that means I got these from your books on pages 4 to 5. All right. So, recognizing nouns. Let's just go through a review. You guys are supposed to know this, especially for those of you who are my students for about 2 years now. Nouns are basically names. To give you a very quick and precise definition of nouns, nouns are just basically names. But then again, would you like when you like to expound on that? Names of what? Names of people, of animals, of places, of things, events, or ideas. All right? So when you want just a quick definition of nouns, nouns are names. Always remember that. Easiest way to remember nouns are names. Names of what? People, animal, places, things, events, or ideas. Okay. So there are different kinds of nouns. Okay. We have the common noun and we have the proper noun. These are just reviews. I hope that you guys remember your topics back then. Common nouns, basically, guys, these are general names. Names of persons, of places, of things. Okay. And they start with a small letter. Example, man, cat, pencil, country. These are common nouns. They are general names. Okay. They are not specific. But when you go for proper nouns, okay, proper nouns, these are specific names of persons, of places, of things, of events. And they start with a capital or big letter. Example, Mr. Rodriguez. That's a proper noun for the common noun in the first example, man. For the second example, cat, you have marbles. For the pencil, the second example for common nouns, you have Mongol. For country, we have Philippines. These are all specific names, okay? Specific names. So they have to start with a capital letter, all right? Now, there are two kinds of proper nouns. Actually, no, of common nouns. Actually, there are four kinds of common nouns. Okay, when you're talking about the number, okay, when you're talking about the number of common nouns, okay, you have two kinds of common nouns. You have the count nouns and the mass nouns, or also known as the non-count nouns. Count nouns basically are nouns that can be counted. Boys, countries, buildings, languages, you can count those. Okay, for mass nouns, these are nouns that cannot be counted. Bread, you can't count bread. You can count loaves of bread, slices of bread, but you can't count bread itself. Darkness, cheese, advice, wood, beauty, you can't count these things, okay? These are two kinds of common nouns when you're talking about the number. But when you're talking about the perception of nouns, okay, you have two kinds of common nouns as well. We have the concrete and the abstract nouns. Concrete nouns are basically nouns that you can use your five senses on: sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of touch, sense of taste. Okay, all your five senses, guys. If you can use your five senses on them, okay, then that's a concrete noun. Forefathers, you can use your five senses on them, on people, on homes, on animals, on flowers, on mollusks. Okay, but for abstract nouns, these are nouns that refer to ideas and emotions and qualities and processes that cannot be detected by your five senses. Cannot be detected by your five senses. Example, independence, beauty. Well, you may go, Sir Vince, I can see beauty. Isn't that a concrete noun? Okay, beauty is seen, yes. But then again, beauty is something that is, what do you call this? It's an opinion. Okay, beauty is an opinion. It's not true for everyone. Okay, so what's beautiful for you is not beautiful for everybody else. What is beauty in your eyes is not beauty for everyone else's eyes. Therefore, beauty here is an idea, and ideas are abstract nouns. Peace, justice, weight. Sir, we can feel the weight, how heavy something is. You can feel how heavy it is, something is, but when you're talking about weight, you can't really use your five senses on the weight itself, right? And classifications. These are different kinds of common nouns. Again, when you're talking about numbers, you have count and mass nouns. And when you're talking about the perception of nouns, you have concrete and abstract nouns, right? Okay, With all of those said and done, we have one more kind of noun. This noun is it's a third kind of noun. You have common, you have proper noun, and the third one is collective nouns. Okay, collective noun is a name of a group of persons, of animals, of things that are considered as one unit. They're considered as one. They are a group, but they're considered as one. Example: the word group itself. When you say when you say group, it's not made of one thing. It's made of more than one thing, right? Therefore, group is more than one thing, but it's considered just one. Swarm. Swarm is used for insects, okay? A swarm of bees, okay? Committee, that's a group of people. Class, a group of people as well. Flock, this could be either sheep or birds, okay? Litter, that's used for kittens, little cats, okay? Herd, that's a group of animals. Jury, that's a group of judges. Team, just a group of people as well. When you have a group, right? A group that are considered as one unit, these are all collective nouns. All right?